Hey everyone, Eric from Rockford Fosgate. I'm going to give you 5 good reasons to make the Stage 1 kit for your Polaris Ranger your entertainment system of choice. So let's get into it. Reason number 1, an all-in-one audio solution. This Stage 1 kit features a 2.3 multimedia source unit, dual 5¼ inch high output speakers, all encased in an element-ready housing, protected from water and UV rays. Reason number 2, factory mounting locations. The system attaches to factory mounting points with no holes to drill. Also, no splicing into the electrical system with easy-to-use connect terminals. All encased in a simple one-piece design that allows for quick installation. Reason number 3, it's a 10-minute install. Simply remove the 2 push pins, attach the entertainment unit, and plug in the harness into the pulse power plug. Now you're ready to rock. Reason number 4, an OEM fit and finish. It's color and texture matched to the interior, so it looks like a factory piece designed for the dash. Reason number 5, legendary Rockford sound. It's a perfect blend of dynamic performance in a simple installation, and the built-in Bluetooth connection allows you to easily connect your phone and get your playlist dialed. And there you have it, 5 amazing reasons to make the Stage 1 kit for your Polaris Ranger your all-in-one audio solution. For more information, visit our website at rockfordfosgate.com.